Understanding forecast adjustment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in business, weather, and various planning contexts: forecast adjustment. Understanding this phrase can unlock deeper insights into discussions and reports you may encounter. Let's break it down together, ensuring that you can confidently grasp and use this term in your conversations and analyses. Forecast and adjustment are two words with distinct meanings, but when combined, they create a specific concept. A forecast is a prediction or estimation of future events, based on current data or trends. This could relate to the weather, financial markets, sales predictions, and more. An adjustment, on the other hand, is a change or modification made to correct or improve something. When we talk about forecast adjustment, we're referring to the process of altering predictions in response to new information or analysis. This can happen for several reasons. New data, fresh information may come to light that impacts the original forecast. Error correction, the initial forecast might have contained inaccuracies that need fixing. Change in conditions, the underlying conditions that influenced the original forecast may have evolved. To illustrate how forecast adjustment works, let's look at some examples. Weather forecasting. If a weather model initially predicts a 70% chance of rain but updated atmospheric data suggests a drier pattern, meteorologists will adjust the forecast to maybe a 40% chance of rain. Business forecasting. A company might adjust its sales forecast downward after a new competitor enters the market, affecting their initial sales predictions. Financial forecasting. Financial analysts may adjust earnings forecasts for a company based on its latest quarterly earnings report, which might have exceeded or fallen short of expectations. Understanding and identifying forecast adjustments are crucial for several reasons. Improved accuracy. Adjustments aim to refine predictions, making them more accurate and reliable. Better decision-making. With more accurate forecasts, individuals and businesses can make more informed decisions. Adaptability. Recognizing the need for adjustments and acting on them demonstrates flexibility and responsiveness to change. Forecast adjustment is a vital concept that reflects the dynamic nature of prediction and planning in various fields. Whether it's anticipating the weather, projecting business trends, or analyzing financial markets, adjustments ensure that forecasts remain relevant and accurate. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and application of forecast adjustment in your studies and everyday life. Keep exploring and stay curious.